Holi! Welcome back to Tu Casa de Papel, where we create handbooks inspired by Hispanic culture. My name is Yvette, and I am so excited to share with you this new collection of blank recipe handbooks. A perfect place to record and preserve your favorite dishes and secret family recipes. Each recipe book is adorned with colorful motifs inspired by the traditions of Mexico, from pozole plates to a Day of the Dead altar. Every illustration is an homage to the land of fiestas y sabores picosos, like the salsa molcajeteada, one of many traditional recipes to add to your colorful cookbook. The vibrant reds and greens of our vegetables and our traditional stone and clay cookware are some of the Mexican cultural aspects represented throughout the books. It makes the cutest statement piece for your cozy kitchen, with miniature Mexican trinkets that are perfect conversation starters at your table. Each book cover is adorned with the cultural nostalgia of embroidered linens that our moms and abuelitas used to keep tortillas warm or to decorate our furniture, and with colorful Fridas, a creative Mexican artist that inspired us to be authentic to our roots. When we open our cover that has this adorable embroidered grape, we have the main page, Mi Libro de Recetas, with a space to personalize with your name, and a heart made up of doodles of traditional Mexican food. Our inner cover has traditional clay cookware, and we flip the page to see our first meal divider, Desayunos. A quien madruga, Dios le ayuda. And also, a quien madruga has time to eat a full breakfast. This is a cute chicken pattern to go with the huevos rancheros in the front of the divider. And here are the blank recipe pages, completely in Spanish. The top banner is labeled Receta. It has a space for el tiempo y número de personas. We have longer lines for instrucciones, shorter lines for a list of ingredientes, and a space at the bottom for notas. Each section is made up of 7 recipe inserts, which makes 14 when you count the back pages, and we have 3 additional pages with extra space for instrucciones, perfect for recipes with many steps. Aperitivos. Camarón que se duerme se lo lleva la corriente. I included this cute ajolote pear. Although not a traditional food where I'm from, it's a sea creature which reminds me of ceviche appetizers. The recipe inserts have a unique design in the notas section and a unique color to coordinate with the meal divider. Caldos y ensaladas. Del plato a la boca se cae la sopa. We have a cute illustration of a plato de pozole, and the back is illustrated with a vibrant pattern of Mexican tiles. As you can tell by now, each meal divider has a popular Hispanic dicho, a traditional saying to brighten up your time in the kitchen, like this one, hay comida en la casa. So don't think about buying food outside because you have all those ingredients to cook at home. Pero si te reanimas a cocinar con una coca bien fría. This is such a cute vintage advertisement. I had to include it, and I love the coordinating blue recipe pages. Acompañamientos. Hasta la mejor cocinera se le queman los frijoles. And we have a traditional Mexican doll with her olla de barro con frijoles. We have a vintage Mexican restaurant advertisement with a blank menu space. And color coordinating recipe inserts. This is my favorite meal divider, postres. Si como lo meneas lo bates, qué rico chocolate. We have a café de olla with a delicious chocolate concha And the back is the most cute pattern of Mexican conchas. I can't get enough of it. I love the heart conchas. Bebidas, pa arriba, pa abajo, pa'l centro, pa dentro. Woo! I'm a big fan of making my own drinks, especially the ones I see on TikTok. So all those TikTok drink recipes will definitely be going in here. And in the back of this meal divider, we have this gorgeous vintage Mexican gal with a huge agave plant behind her. Días festivos, hasta que en mis brazos tú estés, recuérdame. And we have this beautiful Day of the Dead altar with a picture of the popular Mexican actress Maria Felix. Okay, I lied. This is my favorite meal divider. For the holidays in Mexico, we have the traditional Rosca de Reyes, we have tamales, café de olla, atoles, mole, y pan de muerto. All of these are traditional foods that we make to celebrate specific holidays. Day of the Dead is a special Hispanic festivity for me, so I definitely wanted to give it its own special place in this Hispanic-inspired cookbook. The recipe inserts and meal dividers are available in my Etsy shop as instant downloads for you to print at home and as physical prints that I can mail to you. Downloading and printing these inserts at home is super easy. The recipe printables are linked in the description box below. Click on the link below, which will take you directly to this item where you can see pictures of all the inserts included. All printables in my Etsy shop are buy 3, get the 4th free. Use code 4th free at checkout. I have tons of Hispanic-inspired printables in my shop. Click the heart to follow my shop and be notified when new items are added and when they go on sale. So here we are adding 4 of my best-selling printable kits, and we are going to go ahead and add a shop coupon code, 4th free, in order to get that 4th printable kit for free. As soon as you complete your order, you will receive an email from Etsy. Click on the email and then click on View Your Files on Etsy, which will then open up Etsy on your browser. After you log in, you can instantly download your files onto your device. For the recipe printable inserts, you will download 2 folders. One folder contains all the recipe inserts in JPEG format. It has the front and back recipe inserts, the front and back extra lines. All the colors are included, so this file contains a total of 32 JPEG images. The second folder contains all the decorative meal dividers. Each JPEG file is labeled for easy printing. You have the front and back decorative dividers, and there is a total of 18 images in this folder. The paper I use for printing is premium color paper by Hammermill. For the recipe inserts, I used 32-pound paper, and for the meal dividers, I used 50-pound paper. This is how your recipe inserts will look after you have printed the front and back images. Grab your favorite paper trimmer and trim off the blank space.
Para quererte, cariño, tantas razones. Para quererte, tengo tantas razones.
Once your pages are organized beautifully by color, we are going to grab an A5 ring binder mechanism, and after hole punching the left side of all your inserts, we can see how they fit beautifully in this ring binder. There it is, friends, your own Hispanic-inspired recipe handmade book. You can even gift it, surprise a food-loving friend, a family member, or anyone with a passion for Mexican or Latin cuisine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to help me reach more crafters who also enjoy vibrant creations like yourself. Leave a comment letting me know which cookbook cover was your favorite, if you're grabbing one of the printables or even the recipe book. Find all the items in my Etsy shop linked below. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Until next time, bye.